Good morning, campers. Welcome back. This is Ms. Jackson, and today we're going to continue becoming multiplication mathematicians. So let's get right into it. So yesterday we reviewed 2-digit by 1-digit numbers, and hopefully you all have become fluent multipliers with 2-digit by 1-digit. So today we're going to continue our 2 by 2 digits, and then we're going to even take it up a notch and do 3 and 4 digits. All right, so let's say we have the an example that says 43 times 79. Okay, now this is a 2-digit by 2-digit. This process is very important. Okay, I'm sure some of you probably started to learn it in the school year, or you probably didn't even get to this with everything that was going on. So it's very important that you remember this, because you must learn to become a fluent multiplier. Okay, so we're going to start with multiplying our ones place by everything at the top. So our 9 is going to be multiplied to our 3, and then our 9 is going to be multiplied to the 4. Okay, previously I would circle, and I don't want a paper to get too messy. I want you to be able to see what's going on. So I'm just going to draw the arrows to correspond to what's happening. 9 times 3 is 27. Put our 7 here, carry our 2. Then we're going to do 9 times 4, which is 36, plus 2, which is 38. Since there's nothing else to multiply, we're going to bring all of that 38 down. Then we're done with our ones place. So it's very important that you don't forget to cross it out so we don't use it. And we're going to put our 0 in our ones place because we're shifting to our tens place now. So now we want to multiply the tens place by everything to the top. So we're going to do our 7 times 3, and then our 7 times 4. 7 times 3 is 21. Bring your 1 down, carry your 2. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 2 is 30. Since there's nothing else to multiply, we're going to bring all of 30 down. Then with these two sets of numbers, we're going to add them, not multiply, add them. So 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 plus 0 is 3, and nothing plus 3 is 3. Don't forget your comma, 3 digits after you place your comma. All right, next example, 2-digit by 2-digit again. 29 times 88. Okay, 29 times 88. Same process. Start with your ones place, which is this 8 here. Multiply it. 8 times 9, you get 72. 2, carry the 7. And remember, I told you, make sure you know your multiples, because if I say what's 8 times 9, you should quickly say 72. So now we have 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 7. So 8 times 2 is 16, and then I'm going to add 16 plus 7. I'm not multiplying this number up here. I'm adding it to what I multiplied here. Okay, so 16 plus 7 is 23. Put our 23 here because there is nothing else for us to multiply. All right, next, we're done with that, so don't forget to cross it out. Cross out that 8 in the ones place, cross out that 7 because we're done, and put your 0 right there. All right, so now we're gonna move to our tens place. 8 times 9, which is 72. 2, carry the 7. And then we have 8 times 2 again, plus 7, which is 23. There's nothing else for me to multiply, so I'm gonna bring all of that down. Now I'm gonna take these two numbers that we have and I'm going to add them together. 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, and 0 plus 2 is 2. After 3 digits, you should have a comma. So that is 2,552. So that was our 2-digit by 2-digit. Now we're going to do a 3-digit example. And let's see, 3 by 2 digits, 145 times 27. Okay, 145 times 27. I want you to pay attention as to what the difference will be from this example that I'm about to do to these two examples that we've already done. Okay, same process. So we have our ones place being multiplied by 5. The 7 is going to be multiplied by everything at the top. 7 times 5 is 35. Put our 5, carry our 3. Then we do our 7 times 4, which is 28 plus 3, 31. Carry our 3. Then we have 7 times 1, which is 7, plus 3 is 10. Since there's nothing else for me to multiply, you bring all of that down. Next, we are finished with our ones place. So don't forget to cross it out. Cross out those numbers that we've already added and cross out that ones place and place your 0 down below because we're shifting to the tens place. Okay, so now we're going to multiply this 2 by everything to the top. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Sorry. And then 2 times 1 is 2. Then we're going to add those numbers together. 5, 1, 9, and 3, and put our comma. So if you notice, the process did not change. We're still multiplying our ones by everything at the top, our tens by everything at the top. The only difference is between our 2-digit by 2-digit and our 3-digit by 2-digit is that we had an extra number to multiply. Even the process down here below, you still take all of these numbers that we have and we add them together. Nothing changes. Even crossing it out, none of that changed. So if you can remember the process, you can do this on your own. Don't forget, believe in yourself, and I'll see you next time.